Okay, I'm coming over.
What?
So anyway. So Rachel, how do you like canoeing?
I love it.
Really?
I just absolutely love it.
Your back muscles look pretty.
Intense.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Kind of hot, you guys.
What?
The guy in the hat.
Yeah, he is. Just follow him.
Oh, I thought you were. Oh. I know what you were talking about.
I'm on a canoe. I'm on a canoe.
Sorry. I get stuck in the water.
So anyway, this is Vanessa, y'all.
What?
And I'm Rach Rizzo. And this is Rachel
Rizzo.
Crap.
Rach Rizzo, look.
This is Crap. So,
No.
so we're canoeing right now at Wekiwa Springs, and it's not going very well.
Oh, my arm.
Really
My arms are
gay.
killing me.
And I hate canoeing.
Rachel,
you need to do this.
Vanessa, I don't have a canoe.
A what?
Yeah, where are we gonna
paddle
canoe,
too?
Vanessa? Wait, yeah, there's three people, retard.
I mean, one of us would be.
But it's not gonna be even. And I'm not about to stand up and fall in this murky water.
This murky water. Oh, great.
You can't say free.
That's because we're going against the thingy, I think.
My ass hurts. Oh, you guys are tipping. That's disgusting.
Oh, look at the shit, he's laughing at me.
Should I stop the video or keep going?
I know.
Huh?
Ow!
Huh?
Please excuse me. Oh my god. Shit, it got stuck. I didn't mean to do that. FML. FML. Look at that spider.
Let's go. Let's get out of here.